Astral projection is that wild thing you've probably heard about but aren't sure is real. And honestly, I get it. It sounds like something out of a fantasy novel. But there's a reason people have been fascinated by it for centuries. Guided meditation is one of the easiest ways to try astral projection. Why? Because most of us suck at calming our minds. Seriously, when was the last time you sat still for 5 minutes and didn't think about laundry, emails, or that cringe thing you said in high school? First, find a quiet space where no one's going to barge in demanding snacks or updates on life. This space matters. It sets the vibe. Dim lighting, zero distractions, a comfy blanket, make it feel like your personal sanctuary. The next step is breathing. Yeah, I know, breathe deeply. Revolutionary, right? But hear me out. Deep belly breaths can slow your heart rate and undo the tight ball of stress sitting somewhere near your ribs. Try inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 4, and exhaling for 6. Now, imagine a rope hanging above your body. What, a rope? Yes, a rope. This is your mental ladder. You visualize grabbing that rope and climbing it, not with your hands, but with your mind. Sounds weird, but just trust me on this. Here's the kicker. Your brain is going to resist. You'll think, this is dumb, or am I doing this right? That's normal. Your job is to acknowledge those thoughts and gently set them aside, like catching a fly and letting it go out the window. At some point, you'll hit what's called the vibrational state. It feels like your body is buzzing, as if you're plugged into something cosmic. Freaky, right? But don't panic. This is the sweet spot where stuff starts getting interesting. When you get to this state, you might feel like you're floating, or even hear strange sounds. Ignore the sounds. They're like background noise when you're focusing on a book. All you need to do is stay calm and chill. Here's the part where people mess up. They start overthinking. Am I doing it? Is this it? That snaps you out of the zone faster than a tap on the shoulder. Instead, go with the flow. If you feel light, let yourself drift. The first trip might not happen, and that's okay. Most people need practice, like learning guitar, but for your soul. If nothing else, you're meditating, which is already a huge win for your mental health. Pro tip, guided audio tracks specifically for astral projection can boost your chances. You can find them on YouTube, Spotify, or apps like Insight Timer. These narrations help keep you on track when your mind starts wandering. Lastly, let go of expectations. Nobody's grading you. There's no right way to do this, only your way. Laugh at the awkward moments and try again tomorrow. The sky or the astral plane is the limit,